Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on December 2nd and the continuing series of our Elvis Presley Advent calendar build. Alright, so if this is your first time here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Please feel free to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you missed the previous videos, I'll leave a link to them on the screen somewhere and also down in the description below. And at the end of this build series, there will be a playlist where you can watch all the episodes in order. Once again, thanks to all my current subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's just dig right in and get into December 2nd. So before we open the book, let's find December 2nd in our Advent calendar here. And the 2nd is right here. So we will pull the box. And we will open the box. Okay. It looks like we've got some rubber feet. So let's set that there. Let's close up our box because, as before I mentioned, we'll turn it upside down and there'll be part of another picture on the back. Just like that. Now let's get our book. And we'll go to December 2nd. All right. In this part of the book, it talks about the Lincoln Zephyr Club Coupe. This talks about where the Presleys lived in a boarding house, and a little more about Elvis and growing up in school. Apparently they moved to a flat later on that cost them $35 per month, and also about how they were able to give Elvis his first car back in June of 1952. And it was a 1942 Lincoln Zephyr Club Coupe. It cost only $50, but it was still a glamorous 12-cylinder car. So that's some really good information there. Now let's move over here to our instructions and see what it says here for December 2nd. Okay, it says, with the 4 little feet in today's box, you can stabilize the plastic base so that it does not slip away. Remove the protective sheet from the feet one by one and attach them to the designated points on the bottom of the sound base. All right, so we're going to do that. We're going to take our sound base from before. And as you can see here, there's 4 little spots. So we're going to take our little feet off here. We'll attach them there. All right, there we have our 4 feet attached. And with that, that is the end of this step for December 2nd. So I will see you guys tomorrow on December 3rd for the next Advent calendar box and the next step. So until then, everybody just have a great day and go build something.